I try these new makeup launches on my dusky skin so you don't waste your money. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel stylefitwithjanu. Hope you are doing well. I am Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So I tried some of the new makeup launches on my dusky skin recently. So let's get into the video to know the review of these and to know if it is a hit or a flop. So first product is a primer which I recently tried. It's from Forever 52. It's called their Pro Perfecting Primer. So it has some 8 type of hyaluronic acid which just hydrates your skin and preps your skin for the next step, which is makeup, and keeps it long lasting. So that's what the primer claims. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle, as you can see here, with a dropper, but it is not travel friendly. They say it has anti-aging properties, it repairs skin, it provides a hydrated skin, and it also provides antioxidant protection. So the ingredient wise it's good. The packaging looks absolutely luxury but not travel friendly. As you can see the texture, it has a very beautiful liquidy texture which is very lightweight yet super hydrating. As you can see, it just gives a very beautiful flawless non-cakey makeup which I really love. Though I have oily acne prone skin, this works so well to prep my skin and keeps my makeup so hydrated, glowy, and yeah, I really love the primer. But for the price, yeah, it's quite good. If you have budget, you can give it a try, but I have not yet found a good affordable version of the same product that performs the same. So until then, this works so well. I love everything about it except for the non-travel friendly packaging, so I would give this a good 9 on 10. The second product is from Simply Numb. It's their Hydra Fit corrector. So I purchased the shade Brick, which is a beautiful match for our dusky skin. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It is a very cute little travel friendly packaging. So once you open it, you have the same similar concealer like doe food applicator, which is easy to apply and blend in with your fingers. Especially I must say about its performance, guys, the texture is super lightweight and creamy. You can just dot it wherever you have hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and blend it with your fingers. It does not dry out. It has that perfect orange undertone to it, and it just blends in so well and hides all my hyperpigmentation acne marks, and I absolutely love this. It is so travel friendly, so cute, and performs so well. Overall, for its price, the performance, and the packaging, I would give this a 9.5 on 10. The third product for which I was super excited to try, which is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Cushion Foundation. So the inner packaging looked something like this. It's a very beautiful classic black color round packaging which is travel friendly as well. So once you open it, you have the mirror and the sponge. Again, this sponge applicator is just so good. Once you open it, you have the foundation. So I picked the shade 320 Cool, but I was in doubt if it would suit me, if the undertone would look good on me, because I have neutral undertone and this foundation is like a cool undertone. But fortunately, and I was happy with the shade match because it was like made in heaven shade match. This is like the most perfect foundation shade match that I have right now, and this is just so good. Though this shade says 320 Cool, it looked perfect on me and I was so happy with it. Speaking about its application, as you can see, I'm applying this on one side of my face to show you the difference. The shade match is on point. The application is just so good. It blends like a dream. It provides medium to buildable coverage, almost full coverage, and it is not at all drying on my skin. It provides a good satin matte finish. It isn't too powdery matte at all, and I absolutely loved it from the first use. This is the first time I'm using it in front of you, so this would be my first impression, and I really love it. So after completing both the sides, as you can see, it does not emphasize my skin texture. It looks good perfect base product and I absolutely love it. I can keep on speaking about it because it's just so good. Let me know if you want me to share a detailed wear test video or compare it with other cushion foundations like the K-Beauty, Pack Cosmetics or Tint foundation. So let me know if you want me to do such comparison or a makeup battle kind of a video or a wear test video. I'll be happy to do it for you. Overall, I really love this foundation. For the price you pay, it's just so good. The formulation, the shade match and everything is just so perfect. There are 3 deep shades available in this range and there are only 10 shades in India available right now. If they could expand the shade range, it would be so good. But for me and my experience during this first time, I would give this a complete 10 on 10. The next product is a concealer which I tried recently and it is from Simply Numb. It's their newly launched Hydra Fit concealers. So I purchased 2 shades which is Badam and another one is Imli. Imli is like my perfect match. Again, it is just so good. Again, though it is called 3C, it just works so well on me. And the next shade is 2.5 Warm Badam, which is like a very good brightening concealer. I can also use it as my own shade concealer though. Yeah, so it is not too brightening for my skin. It's like perfect and it's just so good. So this is how the inner packaging looks like and I really love again the very aesthetic travel friendly packaging. It's just so classic, so perfect. It again has a doe foot applicator. So as you can see the application, they say it's a Hydra Fit concealer, which means it just hydrates your skin and keeps your makeup non-cakey and non-drying. So that's what they say and it claims, and the performance is just absolutely on point again because as you can see it just blends in so well like a dream, gives that perfect full coverage finish and a non-drying finish. I really love the fact that I kind of feel that it blurs my skin, gives a perfect makeup base that I really love and it is quite long lasting. Let me know if you want me to do a wear test for this product as well. I'll be happy to do it for you. So for the first impression again that I've tried right now, this is just so perfect. It's such a good concealer. For the price, it's totally worth it and this would get again a full 10 on 10. So the next product is from Kiro Cosmetics and it's their Air Whip Cream. It's a multi-use product. You can use it as a lip and cheek tint. So I used the shade today is the Lavender Haze and it's a very beautiful color for our dusky skin. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips. It is extremely pigmented, so 1 to 2 dots will be good to go for your cheeks. Yeah, I have 4 different shades. Let me know if you want me to do a swatch video for all these 4 shades again because the formulation is just so perfect. It looks like a whipped cream to me. Yeah, it blends like a dream on my cheeks and it provides a good matte finish. It isn't glowy at all. So for the cheek part, I would absolutely love only matte finishes, either it be the bronzer or a blush or anything. I always avoid highlighter because oily skin doesn't need much of a highlighter because their skin are always a highlighter. So yeah, speaking about the blush, this is just so perfect. A good frosted glass kind of a packaging which is travel friendly and this shade is just so perfect for both your lip and cheeks and this is just so good. One of the best product that I've tried. Yeah, I would give this a good 9.5 on 10. I've set my entire base makeup now with a compact powder from Riniroy Beauty. So this particular powder foundation can be used as a compact as a powder foundation both, and it is a beautiful new homegrown brand. It is just so good, you guys. I am in the shade Joy, which is like a good brightening shade. It just helps to set your makeup so well. The coverage, you can definitely build it from medium to full. The compact packaging looks absolutely gorgeous with this aesthetic pink color. Yeah, you have the mirror and the sponge beneath this. So this is just so perfect. You can use it as both compact as well as a powder foundation. I really love because it provides a good matte finish, but it isn't too powdery matte. As you can see, no highlighter today, and it provides a beautiful subtle glow. So this sets my makeup so well, keeps it long lasting, but it does not keep my skin powdery matte, which I really love. I already shared a detailed review about this particular product in my shorts video, so you can definitely check it out. Moving on to eyes, I picked a product which recently launched and a few of my Instagram followers asked me to try, and that was the Kiro Beauty Eye Stack. I really love such travel friendly products that Kiro Beauty launches, like their lip stack, their face stack and their eye stack. I was really eyeing on this and I finally purchased in the shade, I think it's number 3. Yeah, it's copper pink metallic and matte trio. So the inner packaging looks something like this. It is just so good. You have the liquid eyeshadow, the eyeliner and the mascara over here. So first I'm just applying. I'm not a liquid eyeshadow person. I have not tried much. Even when I tried, I like failed miserably, but this turned out quite good, even though I must learn how to use a liquid eyeshadow perfectly. For now, this looks quite good. So this is in the shade copper pink. It's a very beautiful metallic shade. It's very subtle. You don't need any base eyeshadow or anything with it. You can just dot it on your eyelid and blend it just with your fingers. You'll be good to go. There is no harsh lines. Blends like a dream. Gives a beautiful glowy metallic effect, not too overpowering. Again, it is just so perfect even for your daytime everyday use, or even you can just build the pigment to give a beautiful metallic glow for any of your events or party kind of looks. So eyeshadow part, it's just so good. Next, for eyeliner, the pigmentation, as you can see, it's pitch black, super good, but the brush can be slightly more flexible. It is not that flexible to draw a good thin wing eyeliner. Only for that I would just minus a point or two, but otherwise the eyeliner works so well. It's transfer proof and smudge proof, it's matte, it's pitch black, and everything about it is so good. Next, speaking about the mascara, yeah, this one is very good to just volumize your lashes and to avoid clumpy eyelashes. So as you can see, it provides a pretty good decent amount of volume, not too much. It's great for, again, everyday use. It's very decent, it's good. So if you want a good volumizing eyelashes that is non-clumpy and it shouldn't look like a fake eyelash effect, it should look natural, then this mascara is just so good. So for the price, the eye stack is just amazing, guys. I really love it. Maybe I will try to use it 2 to 3 times again and play with the liquid eyeshadow and learn it how to use it properly, and I'll let you know. For now, for the first impressions, I would give this a 9 on 10. Lastly, we have a beautiful trending lip product which was recently launched from Nykaa Cosmetics. It was in collaboration with the Bridgerton. So this is their Bridgerton X Nykaa lipstick, and I picked the shade Full Bloom, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. So it is looking so gorgeous, right? So let me take it out and show you. I really love this rose gold packaging, guys. So it also comes with a detachable ring. Let me show you. So once you open the cap, you can take out the ring separately, and let me just show it to you. So you can just wear it. Oh god, it looks so gorgeous, right? I absolutely love it. It looks so good. So this is in the shade Full Bloom, and the lipstick, the intricate work on the lipstick looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, it's a very beautiful rosy pink shade, but if you're around my skin tone or deeper than me, you would definitely need a lip liner, a brown or a good dark burgundy kind of a lip liner to go on with. But this provides one swipe pigmentation. It's super amazing. It provides a good matte finish, not too matte. It's like just so perfect, and it is not at all drying. It's so comfortable and lightweight for everyday use. Overall, this is such a beautiful and pretty lipstick. I purchased this just for the packaging because I'm a lipstick addict. I love collecting lipsticks. So if you are like me, you can definitely give it a try. If you want to try it for the performance and the shade, I will definitely suggest you to go for a deeper shade than the Full Bloom if you're around my skin tone. But if you are quite fairer than me, this Full Bloom would look absolutely gorgeous on you, so you can definitely give it a try. I would give this a 8.5 on 10. The last lip product we have in today's video is from Etude House. It's their fixing lip tint. I've been always eyeing to try the Etude House lip tint, but I finally got to try out because many of you requested me to try this Indian version of 3 newly launched shades from this range. So I picked the shade Mocha Mantra, which is like my lips but better kind of a shade. I was really in doubt while purchasing this if this would suit our dusky skin and my pigmented lips, but fortunately it looked absolutely gorgeous. I really love to wear it with makeup or without makeup. It looks so good. The pigmentation is buildable, it's quite hydrating, it's not at all drying. For everyday use, for a college or an office goer person, this shade looks absolutely gorgeous. But if you are deeper than me, you would definitely need a brown lip liner. But if you're fairer than me, or if you're around my skin tone like NC45, this would look like an absolutely gorgeous brown nude everyday kind of a shade. Yeah, for the performance, the shade, the range and everything, it's just so perfect, and this would get a 9.5 on 10. That's it guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. I will leave all the product links along with the names in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. If you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye bye.